Hey guys, it's me, Michael Gibbons, and I'm back again to react to funny animal videos. And then after that, I'll probably make another video of scary high school stories for right now. So here we go. There's a pig. A potbelly pig.
Iggy, you little stinker!
What is he doing? Is he high? Chipmunk. It's so weird how they're able to stuff so many nuts in their mouth. God, Jesus.
Really? Oh.
That escalated so differently. That's cool. A lot of people are watching. Little game we're playing. That's nice. Blue the bear.
He's like,
Oh, that's cute.
I
That
just got it on video.
is cute. That's so cute. I had a guinea pig. Well, before I had a parrot, I had a guinea pig. Her name was Peaches. She died. She got sick. She looked kind of like that one. Black and white.
chipmunk swing! Chipmunk swing!
so quiet. That's what made it so funny. Squirrel's gotta eat some nuts.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Lady with the food. Hello.
He's taking a shower.
There are, in fact, two bears making out, and they've been doing so for the past 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
You took the whole bucket!
Is the bear doing a moonwalk? A moonwalk? It's blue. I don't really like that, you know, like giving them treats for doing tricks. Is that the same bear? That bear looks really skinny for a polar bear. What's he doing? He's knocking his butt against the wood? Stingray. That thing looks ugly from underneath. The stingray.
So sweet.
Why that dog look like Benji? You guys seen that movie, Benji? The one with the dog? This dog looks just like that, named Benji. My aunt's dog used to do that all the time when I was rubbing her.
Sweet dog. Got her head out of it and she's doing it again. Do it again, buddy.
Well, that was it. So that was okay. not as entertaining as the animal news bloggers. I gotta find some. I can't find any good ones like the one I reacted to before. Yeah, but for right now, I'm gonna react to another video before I go to bed, which is going to be scary stories. But until then, I'm out.